What's up, guys? It's your boy Amir with Xavier HVAC. Bridget sent me out a package. I already opened it. I was too excited. I waited all day. But they sent me out a pipe wrench. Definitely using this orange bright. This is a 14-inch, definitely heavy. Definitely a 10-inch adjustable wrench. This is a beauty. I like how they designed it. Sent me out a 12-inch adjustable wrench. Definitely gonna be using this. Install stuff like that. That's definitely gonna come in handy. Bridget sent me out this ProPress tool. I've been waiting on one. Last plumbing video I made, a water heater. They're like, oh, why are you soldering? Just use a ProPress tool. Guess what, guys? I got one. This thing is nice. I like this hard case. It's the charger. It's a 12-volt charger. Got a 1/2 inch, another 1/2 inch. You got 3/4, whatever, which one you need, whether it's copper. You got the battery. Oh, very small. Oh my God, this is very small. Lock it, open it, put one of these in. This is a nice ProPress tool.